In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the column stats to review data in Google Sheets. Using the column stats to review your data is a great way to see an overview of your columns, whether you want to know how often a character or value is repeated in a column, or if you want to know the sum or average, which is not included in your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Let's go to Data on the menu bar, and you'll see here Column Stats. And the Column Stats panel will appear on the right side where you have the count and the distribution. So the count is how often one value is repeated in your column. So most of our values are only repeated once, and you'll see that here there are only 16 values, not including the profit. So it doesn't include the profit because our row is frozen right there. So we have 16 unique values. Our sum is 180,241. Average is also there, the median, the minimum value, and the maximum value. So even though it's not included there, you can easily have the idea, or you can easily see it right here in the column stats. Now let's say we want to know how often these products or some of these products are repeated. And you will see the 5 unique values here, which are the caps, the skirts, t-shirts, hats, and pants. Next one, let's find out how many sales or transactions the store managers have done, and you'll see them right here. So we have 7 unique values, that's 7 store managers right here, and you'll see that Miss Cynthia and Miss Samantha have the most sales in this graph. And lastly, in the quantity, if you want to know how many total sales you've had, you'll have again the sum, the average, the median, the minimum value, and the maximum value all right here. And that's how easy it is to review your data using the column stats. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.